Hi, my name's Kaylee Swift and I'm one of the associates here at NB Property Law. Today, I thought I would take you through the importance of having a good conveyancer to avoid leaving yourself exposed through either the sale or the purchase of a property in Queensland. When buying or selling a property, there are so many things to think about. Who are you going to engage as the agent? Have you got pre-approval for finance? Do you have finance to be able to purchase the property with your cash in the bank? Do you need to sell a property first in order to afford the purchase? That's only just the beginning. You want to ensure though that your legals are looked after, covered, and you don't have to think about them. Here at NB Property Law, we're able to provide a service to our clients to provide them with peace of mind and ensure they have a smooth transaction from the start at contract to the end at settlement, and ensuring that our clients are satisfied with the work we do for them. We start the transaction with their contract. We like to review that contract for our clients before they sign it. Are there any conditions that are not included in the contract that we think really need to be added? You know, has it got a clause in there for finance? Do we need to add a due diligence clause? Building a pest? They're the types of things we'll be looking at for the client. The client will obviously do their own investigations about the property, but we're here to look after the legal needs and what we think is required from the legal stance. Once the contract is signed, we'll do up that initial letter outlining key dates. We'll draft the transfer duty concession forms if the client's entitled to either a home or a first home transfer duty concession, or otherwise calculate what the transfer duty is going to be for this investment property. As mentioned, the client will do their own research into the area and the likes of that, but as a solicitor, we can undertake searches into the actual property, you know, looking at flood reports. If there's a structure that the building inspector's brought up that maybe it's not been approved by council, make sure we get those searches in time so the client can rely on them to either satisfy the condition or potentially terminate the contract under it. We'll be liaising with the stakeholders involved in the transaction, whether that be your financial broker or the bank directly, dealing with the agent to keep them advised of the transaction, and obviously the other side as well as the client themselves to provide that advice and seek those instructions along the way. We're here to act in your best interest to ensure the property settles on time and as expected. As mentioned, my name's Kaylee Swift. I'm one of the associates at NB Property Law, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with your purchase or sale in Queensland.